Y'all, I just wanted to show you something. I planted this sweet potato 2 months ago. 2 months ago. Soil, watered it, everything. Look at this sweet potato. It is still a whole sweet potato. No, did not sprout anything, anyplace. Now, if this is not a prime example, hold on, hold on just think. If this is not a prime example that we need to be growing our own food, then what is? I mean, I'm just saying, anything else that you would have planted, a seed, anything, would at least, this is just a little bit of, look like cobwebs on there, but it would have sprouted something within 2 months. This is, I mean, I'm just glad I didn't eat the thing, because what would I be eating? And what are they doing to these things to where they won't grow anything? I don't understand. So I just had to come on here and say that this is a prime example of why I am growing my own food and why we shouldn't just eat whatever they put in the grocery store. I mean, just because we can buy it doesn't always mean that it's edible, apparently, because this thing here, like I said, it's been planted for 2 months and nothing, absolutely nothing. I was just about to just dump the whole thing and throw it away, but I was like, wait a minute. Let me look and see if it sprouted anything at all. Nothing. Nothing at all. So y'all, I mean, when you go to the grocery store, watch what you buy. Or either just grow your own if you have like a little small area. Even if you have a flower pot, try to grow your own, because this does not make sense. What are we consuming? I don't get it. I'm glad I'm growing my own now, because I mean, I really don't know what to say. If anybody has any answers as to why this didn't sprout anything, or any logic behind why it was planted for 2 months and I got nothing, then drop a comment. Let me know what you think, because I can't figure it out. In my mind, it should have grown. It should have sprouted something. I mean, in my mind, this should have sprouted at least, or decayed, or broke down, or something. It is still a solid potato. When you see me pushing, it is still a solid sweet potato. So yeah, grow your own. If you grow it, you know it. You know what you're eating. The only other option I can think of is maybe buying organic. This is not an organic sweet potato. It's just a sweet potato that I picked up when I was in the grocery store, because I was like, let me see if I can grow my own sweet potatoes. I watched a couple videos, did exactly what they said do in the videos, and nothing. So yeah, another option would be, I guess, buying organic. But I'm going to try that too. I'm going to buy an organic one, try to do the exact same method, and see what I come up with. And I'll do a video on that too. That's what I'll do. I'll do a video on that and see how that turns out. So stay tuned for that sweet potato video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.